Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veil Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block, we got pinto beans. Affordable, delicious, Southern style pinto beans in 2019 with smoked ham hocks. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So first I'm going to tell you about the ingredients. I have some red peppers, flakes. I have some lemon pepper. I have some black pepper. I have some Epsom salt. I have some adobo by GOYA. I have some excuse me, my throat is kind of messed up. I have some SAZON perfect blend right here, followed by 2 basils. Okay, then I have some beef broth right there, and of course you guys already know about the smoked ham hocks. And these are the pinto beans. So I already had some left over. I'm going to use some of these, and all you want to do is open up your bag like so. Now you want to soak these, you can do it overnight, or you can soak them for about 2 hours. I don't have time for all that. I ain't going to have time for all that. So I'm going to cook mine in my pressure cooker. Okay? So I'm going to cook all this stuff together. That's right. So what you want to do is wash these off. Let me go ahead and move this out the way. I'm going to take, I have in this pot also, I have like 4 cups of water. Okay, I'm just go ahead and stick these in there. Cook these for about an hour. Get these beans over here. Put these in there, in this pot, and I'll be right back. Well, ladies and gentlemen, all you're doing is pretty much is checking for rocks or any debris that shouldn't be in your beans. So I normally just separate them like this. Have a sharp eye looking for it. You know, that's all you're doing. If you see a bean that don't look right, look different from the other, discard it. So it goes fast. I've been doing it for years, so I know what to look for. But sometimes it may be a little rock or something in it, and you want to just discard it because you don't want to bite down on that rock. And then you also want to wash your beans. Please wash your beans. I mean, like 2 to 3 times or whatever. And then the final task will be you just let them soak for about 2 hours. Okay, but mine probably be for like an hour because I got them ham hocks on. All right. So okay, just saying that to say this. I'll be back in a minute. See you later. Okay, guys, I'm back. This is what you're doing. Like rinsing them off real good. Make sure you get any of that dirt and all this stuff off it. Okay. I'm going to pour that out. Repeat the same cycle. Put you some salt in it. Second time, putting the salt in it. You just want to clean it real good so your water run clear. I'll probably clean it one more time, then I'll be done with this. Then put cold water in it, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been 30 minutes for the beans. Let me go ahead and take this off. Get some of this water off the lid. Okay. Check on these smoked ham hocks. Yeah, that's good. I don't want them too soft because I gotta cook them beans in there. Okay, so got my beans. Pour the water off. They did swell up a little bit. Have them soaking in some warm water. So we just want to, and the longer you soak them, the more tender, the faster they cook. So that you know. So I'm gonna pour this in there. This is like 2-pound bag. So that you know. And I had to correct myself on them herbs that I had. So it was not basil, they was bay leaves. These are bay leaves. Trying to get ahead of yourself. Okay? So yeah, we're just gonna put those in there. It's 2 of those. And we're gonna go ahead and go in with some accent salt. Just a little bit. Don't use too much of that. So it's about 1/4 teaspoon. We're gonna go in with Perfect Blend, SAZON. We're gonna do let me open up the lid. Like a tablespoon. Okay? It's a tablespoon. We got the adobo right here. We're gonna do a teaspoon. It has salt in it, okay? So we just do a teaspoon of that. We'll taste as we go. So we got some black pepper. Do a 1/4 teaspoon. Crushed red pepper flakes. 1/4 teaspoon. We have lemon pepper. So we do a teaspoon with that. All right. Then we have our beef broth. So I know it's about 2 cups worth. So I'm gonna pour that in there. Here's the other one. All right. And if you want to get a little spicy, let me open up this cabinet. Go with a little Tony's. You can put some of that in there. So we just sprinkle a little of that in there. So we're not done. I can assure you that. So this is like a 1/4. I'm put a pinch of sugar in it. Okay, so that's about a 1/4. Just to tone down some of that salt and all that stuff that combined together. I didn't show you this, but I'm going to use some onion powder. Sometimes you can cook it with your onions in it. I'm not going to do it this time. And also I want to add into it, I know I showed you all the other stuff, I'm going to put some thyme in it. So we're going to put like a 1/4 teaspoon. Just like so. I'm trying to tell you, this is off the chain. You don't believe me, try it. I guarantee you're going to be like, man, dude. Like, these are the best beans I ever had. Because I'm not done. We're going to put one more final season at the end. Okay? So we're going to have to let this cook for a while so I can build up some gravy and all that good stuff. Look at all them herbs and spices in there. So tastes good already. It ain't done. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on there, ladies and gentlemen. And we're going to start that bad boy up again. Let's see, we'll put it on. Well, we'll go with 40 this time. Alright, so you know, let me see if I can bend this down Well, you can't see it now. It was on 40. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. The food got done. This is how it look. Of course, you're gonna have some bones in there when you fall off the bone meat. That's how it looks. Now the other ingredient that I wanted to put in there was, I'll give you the secret on that, it was some steak sauce. Put you a couple of caps of steak sauce up in there and you're done. But see, I didn't need to do that because all the seasoning that I put in there made it turn out perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up and I'll see you guys over there. And by the way, this cooked for like, let's see, an hour and 30 minutes in this pressure cooker. Alright, see you over there in a minute. Okay guys, there it is. Affordable, delicious pinto bean with smoked ham hock in 2019. And by the way, I made some hot water cornbread right there. It tastes delicious. I'm going to show you guys how to make that one day. But give this a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. Help your boy get some subscribers. I'm out here. You feel me? So we got some other recipes going to be coming up this week. I got something really special for you guys. I don't know if I'm going to put it out Sunday or Friday, but you guys definitely going to love this. So okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to the show, or to the channel rather. Tell your friends and family. Veldog is signing out. Love you. Peace and soul. Get up out of here.